Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this James Bond poster in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Just open a new page, set the background to black, and go into the text, add heading, just type James, selecting the text and using the font Fatimi, and just insert to here, might be a bit lower, and just duplicate the page and just typing Bond, go into the position, set it to the center, and meanwhile doing the same with the first one. But now I just need the second one. This is a page 8. Go into the downloads and just download the page 8 with a transparent background. The transparent background is important, otherwise we cannot do it. So I go into the apps and searching for the application transform image. This one, I just open it. I just have to choose a file. I just use what I uploaded and just rotate the picture a bit. Try to keep as horizontal as possible and just zooming a bit. Like this, and add to the design. Yeah, add it to the design. Maybe it's not perfect. Try to balancing until I get the proper result. What I need is still not good. Maybe now. Yeah, now this one is good. Or at least better what was before. Just keep a small distance between the two words. And scrolling up. Now to the uploads. I uploaded already this picture. I just removing the background. I just insert to here. And going to the elements. Maybe it's increasing the size a bit. And go into the elements and see all, and just add the shadow, increasing the size a bit, not this picture with this one, increasing the size, just lifting up to the top of the letters, and also going back to the uploads. I already uploaded this James Bond logo, and just inserting on top of the letters, just selecting all and just increasing the size a bit, like this. And here we have a final result, and we can download this and use in any mockup, same as I did. And it's creating this is a very easy. I like this transform image function to create any image, or even like in this case as a text we can transform and rotate it, and that's I think it's a very cool feature. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.